Long forms can hurt your conversion rates, so you want to make them as stress-free and user-friendly as possible. Multi-page forms are a great way to achieve this goal. For instance, I have an advanced contact form with a lot of fields. I can drag and drop the page field onto my form to create page breaks and make this form less daunting to users. And within the field settings, I can customize the progress indicator as well as add descriptions for each page. I can even use conditional logic to hide or display certain pages. As an example, I have an optional survey at the end of my form. I'm going to hide this page using conditional logic, and only have it display if the user agrees to fill out the survey. I can even choose to hide or display the next button using conditional logic. If you'd like to learn more, our doc site is a great resource, and a link to it will be in the video description. That's all for this video. Thanks as always for watching. I'll see you in the next one.